See, sorting. You have seen the types of sorting. First, we have seen the bubble sort technique. It is called as the simple sorting algorithm, and it starts from the beginning. Compares each pair of elements with one another till the last comparison. And again, next selection sort. It improves the performance of bubble sorting. Selection sort improves the performance of the bubble sort. First, see here the key point is first find the smallest element. First find the smallest element and swap with the first element. See, first find the smallest element and swap with the first element. See, find now 11 is the smallest element and it is swapped with the first element, that is 13. See, 11 is swapped in the position and again now it is sorted. Here 16, 18, 14, 15. The sorted array is in the left side. See, again find the smallest. 11 and the next smallest is 13 and again see, it is compared with the first element. So now 16, 18, 14, 15 arrives. Then again see 14, 11, 13, 14. In the left sides arrays are sorted. See, 14th place now 16 is swapped. So 18, 16, 15. This is sorted array, this is unsorted. Then again here find the smallest element. 15 is the smallest element. So 11, 13, 14, 15. Again 15th position now 18 is swapped. See, 16 and 18. Here comes the sorted array. That is the key point is first find the smallest element and swap with the first element. In this manner, the selection sort takes place. Then again the next sorting, that is called as insertion sort. See, now insertion sort. Insertion sort is is the third sorting, that is insertion sort. Insertion sort. First of all, we have seen bubble sort. Then again next sorting, that is called as first bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort. We have see three types of sorting. The next one, insertion sort. This is also simple algorithmic sorting. Here the key point is taking the elements one by one and inserting them in their correct position. Taking the elements one by one and inserting them in their correct position. For example, the unsorted array 44, 16, 83, 07, 67, 21, 34, 45, 10. The positions are given in the top of the values. See, first of all, what we have to do is the first element is sorted with the second element. First element, take 44. 44 is sorted. 44 is compared with the second element. Yes, now it is smaller, 16. And again 44, 83, 07, 67, 21, 34, 45, 10. Then again next cycle, that is 16, 44, 83, 07. Again see here, the second compare the values is 44, 83, 07. Here this 16 is, it behaves as a subsorted array. 16 behaves as the, because the number 16 is smaller than the 44, the second element. Now we find the elements, that is the subset, the elements we have to try. First of all, see, pick the next element. 44, 83. Here no swapping. See here, 44 is compared with 83. No swapping, no need of including the element into the subdirectory, subarray. So next 44 is compared with not 7. 44 is compared with not 7. See, 44 is compared with not 7. Okay, not 7 is smaller. So again, see, not 7, 16, 44, 83. Here, see, these two elements are subarray. Then again 44, 83, 67, 21, 34, 45, 10. Okay, yeah? See, again 44, 67. So no need of exchanging. Again 44, 21. 44, see, 44 is compared with 83. No need of swapping. Then again 44 is compared with 21. Yes, it needs. So, in the subarray, you find here, subarray or important thing notice pannano. Enna picking the element one by one and inserting them in their correct position. Subarray la inge pick pandra element right position la place pannano. Understand? See, inge or element pick pandro the main array la irundhu pick pandra element we have to include in the subarray, but in the right position, correct position la vekkano. So now 21 is placed next to 16, 21, 44, and again 83, 67, 34, 45, 10. See, now again 44 is compared with 34. 34, yes, it is smaller. Again, not 7, 16, 24, 34, 44. Yes, the subarray becomes longer. Now the subarray is sorted. Sorted arrays are coming here, left side of the array position. See, 44 and again 83, 67, 45, 10. Again 44 is compared with 45. Yes, it is smaller. Then no need of changing. In this manner, then again next 10. So 44, not 7, 16, 21, 34, 44. The first cycle completed. 44. So again see here. Then 44, 45. Then 83, 67, 10. See now, first cycle completed. So the last element 83 is compared with 10. See, not 7, 16, 21, 34, 44, 45, and again 10 is 10. The element is picked and it is placed in between 10, in between not 7 and 16. According to our law, taking the elements one by one and inserting them in their right position. This is insertion sort. See, insertion sort is nothing. Picking the element from the main array and again inserting the picked element in the correct position into a new sorted array. This is the way of sorting. There are three types of sorting and two types of searching we saw. Searching, binary search and linear search. Sorting, three types. Insertion sort, bubble sort and selection sort. Yes, next one, dynamic programming. That I think this chapter is completed. Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is nothing. It is similar to divide, that is divide and conquer. Big problem is divided into small problems, small, in order to get the good result. Then to get the optimum result. That is optimum solution for the problem is obtained by dividing the problem into small module. That is called as dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is nothing. Divide and conquer. Divide and conquer. Kutti kuttiya cut panni nalla alaga vetti தெரிந்தெடுத்து கொள்ளுதல். அதை எவ்வளோ சின்ன குட்டியா நம்ம வந்து டிவைட் பண்ண முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ டிவைட் பண்ணி we can attain the goal. That is called as the dynamic programming. See, in this chapter, I think the fourth chapter is completed. Algorithmic strategies. What is an algorithm and what is algorithmic principle and what is that is algorithmic solution and algorithmic strategy and what is algorithm, and again what are the difference between algorithm and program, and again what are the asymptotic notation and everything, how to get the efficient algorithm, everything we have saw. That this chapter I think it is completed. Now next chapter, that is Python, the language will be started. So students நல்லா கவனிச்சு அதை வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க புக் வச்சிருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா இட்ஸ் குவைட் யூஸ்ஃபுல் ஃபார் யூ. நல்லா புக்கு தரோவா ரீட் பண்ணுங்க. that will do. Follow the guidelines given by the teachers. Be safe and take care of your health, everything. Then next, pray to God for your health and everyone. Yes, thank you.